Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Evelyn Barasa for those who don't know me, and for my returning subscribers, thank you so much. Yeah, so today we're going into the part 2 of how to prepare simple and quick recipes using potatoes. Kindly tune in till the end, you get to see what I'll be preparing for you today. Yeah, okay guys, so to sample for you my ingredients, I have my 1 cup of all-purpose flour. Here I have my garlic, and this is egg yellow food color. As you can see, it's egg yellow. I have my coriander. This is 1 glass of sour milk, my potatoes, and 1 lemon. Yes, so let's start by preparing our potatoes first. And what I'm going to do is just chop them into smaller pieces. Yeah, so this is the best size. It is not too small, not too big. And then I'm going to put them onto my sufuria. Make sure they are evenly spread. And then I'll add 2 glasses of water. Don't add too much water. And then add a pinch of salt into the potatoes. And let them boil for about 15 minutes. This is me here checking if they are ready. So as my potatoes are boiling, we're going to prepare now the paste. And I'm just going to start by chopping my coriander into smaller pieces. I'm going to take my flour and then I add half a teaspoon of the egg yellow food color. Once that's done, I'm going to make sure that I mix it well. And then I'm going to add a pinch of salt and continue mixing. Once I've done that, I'm going to add first half a glass of water. Continue adding more water until I get a thick consistency. And then I'm now going to add my coriander into the mixture. I'm going to mix this well also. And so this is how my mixture looks like. It's very thick and seamless. So once we are done preparing our paste, we're going to prepare now our sauce on the side. And I'm just going to start by grinding the garlic. Once I've grinded, I'm going to put my sour milk onto the bowl. And then add the garlic into the milk. So what I'm going to do is make sure that I've stirred well. So my milk is sweetened. So you can add sugar if you want, but not necessarily. And then what you're going to add next is our lemon into the mixture. So I'm just going to make sure that I've removed all the seeds. And then squeeze the juice into the sour milk. So guys, this is the sour milk garlic sauce. It's very healthy for you, reduces cholesterol and treats asthma. Yeah, so once I'm done with my sauce, I'm going to put some oil onto the pan. And once the oil has heated up well, I'm going to pick one potato one by one, dip it into my paste, and then dip it into the oil. So I'm just going to continue like this until I finish all the potatoes. So once I've dipped enough into the oil, I'm going to turn them onto the other side. Make sure that they cook well. And also make sure that they don't stick onto each other. Yes, so this is how they look like. Yes, so guys, my viazi karai, or rather potato pakoras, are ready. And as you can see, they have that golden brown look. They're looking so delicious, so mouth-watering. And then now we're going to add our sour garlic milk sauce onto the side. And enjoy our delicacy. Yeah, so guys, this is a recipe that you can try at home. It's very simple and very easy to follow. Yes, so kindly try it and enjoy. So guys, that is the end of my video. I hope you liked it, and if you did, kindly like, share, comment and subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye.